Falling trees make noise. Whoa, that may be news to you. Welcome to Layers of Living Water. Have you ever been wondering what's holding you back? Have you ever wondered why you're having trouble moving forward? We'll talk about that today. Now, some people, when you talk to them, they say, well, it's patience. I'm being cautious. I want to study the situation. But did you know the reality is that most of the time you're waiting on approval? You're waiting for somebody to say, it's okay, you can go ahead and move forward. You're waiting for somebody to say, I think you're ready. You're waiting for somebody to give you approval. But the reality is all you have to do is decide that I'm ready to move. And once you make that decision, you will realize the only thing holding you back was yourself. Fear of what's going to happen. Fear of what might be. The mind is an amazing thing. But did you know the mind can create all these scenarios that probably will never happen? But if I step out, I might fall, I might fail. But what if somebody says you can't do it? That's all fear. And if you live in fear, you will never accomplish what you were meant to accomplish. For you see, you were meant to accomplish great things. All you have to do is decide, I don't have to wait for permission. I don't have to wait for somebody to tell me that it's okay. You look at the situation, you study where you are, you study the preparation that you have put into what you want to do. And when you have that feeling inside that I'm ready, then you make your plan and you begin to move forward. You begin to take that step. And some people will say, yeah, but I might stumble. You might. You might miss the mark just a little bit, but think how far down the road you will be. Why? Because you stopped waiting for somebody to tell you it was okay. You decided that you were going to move forward. See, my friend, the reality is people don't really care about you. They'll tell you what to do. They'll tell you what you want to hear. But is that really good for you? Probably not. What's good for you is when you know in your heart that you're ready and you say, I can do it. I'm going to put all my effort into it. And as you begin to move, watch what happens. Things will begin to change. Now, will everybody be happy? Probably not. Why? Because there's too many people that were stuck where you are, waiting for permission, waiting for somebody to tell them it's okay. But once you start moving, if they don't want to do what you do, if they don't want to start moving without permission, that's okay. You keep moving forward. Because as you move, you will notice you begin to grow stronger. You will notice that you begin to pick up momentum. Because each and every time you take a little move, then you see inside yourself, hey, I am really ready. I can do this. I can overcome. I can become what I was meant to be. And my friends, you will do it. So today, stop listening to what other people are saying. Stop waiting for somebody to approve what you're going to do. Decide that you are going to move forward. Decide that you are ready and totally take the next step. And when you do, watch what happens. All of a sudden, doors will begin to open. All of a sudden, opportunities that you only dreamed about will begin to come your way. Why is it? Because no longer are you waiting. You are taking your life in your hands and you are not waiting for permission. You are moving forward. I know the victory is there. I know you will overcome, and I know you will enjoy who you become. So today, make that step. Stop waiting. You'll be glad you did. And if you know somebody that could use this encouragement today, share this with them and follow me. You see, my friend, you were never really waiting on permission. You were waiting for yourself to believe that you could do it. So I know you're going to overcome. I know you're going to totally transform your life. Take that step. Start to move and watch what happens.